I have been waiting for this. It is time to detangle with Ambunu. Good morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style, and now natural hair care and hair care topics. If you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So first, we are going to get into some benefits. I'm going to show you how I made it, and then I'm going to show you how I detangle with it. Let's talk about Ambunu. Ambunu is a flowering plant native to Africa that has been used to aid in healthy lifestyles for centuries. Ambunu helps to strengthen the hair. It is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and protein. Ambunu also moisturizes the hair. It is considered an emollient, and Ambunu contains saponin. Saponin is a natural mild cleansing agent. It cleans the hair without stripping the natural oils. Ambunu is a mild cleanser. So if you are heavy-handed with products, if you have a lot of buildup or you like to use a lot of products, Ambunu will not remove all of the buildup. You will have to use it in conjunction with something else. But what I really want to talk about is the slip factor. When Ambunu is mixed with water, it forms mucilage, creating a slippery coating on the strands, allowing for easy detangling. Us naturalistas know that detangling can be the bane of our existence. So let's make some for a detangling session. The directions say 500 milliliters of water to 5 tablespoons of Ambunu. I personally do not think this will be enough for my hair, so I'm going to up it to 4 cups of water. I'm going to bring the water to a boil. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of Ambunu. Then I'm going to let sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to strain. That's it. You have a simple, natural detangler, and you can see how slippery it is. Stay tuned for part 2. I cannot wait to try. Okay, so you guys saw me strain it, and this is the container that it is in. I am so excited, and I just put on one of my A.K.A shirts. So let's go ahead and start detangling. And already just feeling it, the slip is ridiculous. So I'm just going to apply it to my hair. I'm just applying it to my hair. Make sure I get it on the ends. Also, make sure you are wearing a pair of pants that you do not care about. This is messy, just like A.K.A. All right, so my hair is coated in it, and now I'm just gonna start detangling. Okay, and it is detangling pretty well, very well actually. Also, I do want to note that my hair was stretched, so there are not a lot of tangles. The other thing that I do want to talk about, and I believe I did say this in the video, is that one of the things that I do like about Ambunu is that you can apply it to your scalp. Now, you guys know that I have stopped using detangling tools. However, for this video, I will just show you in a couple of sections what it looks like or how it detangles with a detangling tool. So here is my thick and curly tangle teaser, and I'm just gonna start at the ends. And I'm just gonna work my way up. And it's just gliding through. You guys know if I can find a natural solution, then I am going to go with that. One of the things that I do like about the Ambunu is that it's very simple. You don't have to, and you can, but you don't have to add anything to it. You literally boil water for 10 minutes, and then that's it. And that's what my hair looks like. My hair is detangled. So far, I am loving the Ambunu. So this is what it looks like after it has been detangled and combed. So now we're just gonna continue. So the second thing that I noticed is how calm my scalp feels. Typically when we talk about the scalp, we talk about the menthol or the peppermint. It leaves like this cooling sensation on your scalp. To each his own. I like that sometimes, but I don't like it all the time. But at the time of this video, I washed my hair on February 17th. This voiceover is being done on March 1st, and my scalp still feels amazing. It's not flaking and it's not dry. Okay, so now you just see me within this section, just going in with my fingers, doing a little bit of raking and just making sure that I am getting all of the tangles out. The next thing that I noticed was the shedding. So we know that typically you shed anywhere from 50 to 100 hairs per day. You guys know that I do not touch my hair every single day. With the grease, it's every 4 days. With the powder, it's every 5 to 6 days. What I did notice is that when I was using the Ambunu, the shed hair, and we know sometimes, especially if our hair has been in the same style for a while, or sometimes when we attempt to dry detangle our hair, the shed hairs can begin to tangle or they just get stuck. I noticed that with me, especially in this section right here, with me just separating the hair, the shed hairs are coming right out. Even if they are like in a little ball, they are sliding right out of my hair. Okay, so the section that I have just detangled, I'm going to take one of my clips to separate it, and then I'm going to work on the section right above that. I did want to show this part really quickly. This is how I keep the same parts during my entire wash day. So the back is done. Right here, you just see me applying more Ambunu to my scalp. So right here, I just want to reiterate, Ambunu is a mild cleanser. So if you are going to use the Ambunu and you do also have a lot of product buildup, use it after the shampoo, because remember we spoke about the conditioning properties and the moisture properties of Ambunu. All right, let me show you from the front. And of course, the front is going to be easier to apply the Ambunu with. I'm going to take my bowl and I'm actually going to dip my hair in the bowl. This is, to me, probably the easiest way to apply the Ambunu. Also, just to make sure that all of your hair is coated. And once again, the slippage is amazing. And you can even see as it's going on my hair, as I'm applying it to my hair, you can see the shine. The other thing that I notice when it comes to the Ambunu is the clumping. My hair clumped so well, especially in the front, when it came to the Ambunu. But you're going to see me just take my fingers and I'm just going to detangle with my fingers. And then also, of course, I do want to note that the front of my hair is a lot looser than my middle section. So the front of my hair always takes less time. When I'm styling it, when I'm detangling it, it just always takes a less amount of time. But you just see me right here with the ends. I'm just applying and I'm just raking through and combing my hands through my hair. And it, like I said, the slippage is amazing. I've had people ask me about flaxseed gel. Unfortunately, or just flaxseed. Unfortunately, flaxseed and I are not friends. I've tried making it, we did not get along, and I tried buying commercial, we did not get along. So if you are looking for an alternative to flaxseed, I would suggest Ambunu to you. That section is done. I'm going to clip it to keep it out of the way and then work on the next section. So I'm going to take this section and I'm going to dip it in my bowl and make sure that all of my hair is coated. Now, I wanted to show you this section because I also use the thick and curly tangle teaser on this section, just like I did in the back. Really quickly right here in the front, let me show you how I keep the same parts during my wash day. So let's talk about smell. You will be happy to know that Ambunu does not smell nearly as strong as Shebe. To me, it just smells like a plant. It smells like a fresh cup of green tea. Now, let's talk about whether or not you can leave Ambunu in your hair. Some use it as a deep conditioner, and some actually use it as a leave-in or a conditioner, meaning that they leave it in their hair. It is mild enough to leave in your hair. Now, of course, if you are going to leave it in your hair, please make sure that you do strain it. All right, so I'm out of the shower. I have rinsed the Ambunu. For me personally, this was a wonderful experience. You guys know that I find doing my hair very therapeutic, and you guys know that I'm always going to opt for the most natural option. Absolutely love Ambunu. Of course, I will link it down below. Of course, there are some cons. You are going to have to make it. However, the process is not that long. It's literally boil water, add the Ambunu, let it sit for 10 or 20 minutes, strain it, and or you don't have to strain it. Some people don't, and then you use it to detangle your hair, okay? But I absolutely love it. And then of course, the other thing is that it is very messy, okay? When you're applying it, it's very messy. If I ever get the opportunity to go to Chad and just have the women love and care for my hair, I would absolutely do that. I think that would be an amazing experience. But just to show y'all what my hair looks like after, and you guys know I have the parts, but it's basically, like I said, my hair is soft and it is detangled. Here's this section right here. And then for me personally, the detangle with the sections that were detangled, and here's the section that was detangled by the Tangle Teaser, and also this section, wait a minute, this section was as well. But I won't say that I didn't see a difference. It definitely made it easier, but you guys know that I'm not using detangling tools, or I stopped in 2024. But the slippage is wonderful. So this moving forward is definitely going to be something that I'm going to continue to use. If I am in a pinch, if I am in a bind, or if I don't feel like making it, you guys know that I do also like the Flora and Curl detangling lotion or cream. I love that as well. But this was a wonderful experience, okay? If you have any questions, leave them down below. You guys know what I'm getting ready to do. I told y'all last time I was going to return to the powder. So I'm going to end this video, but I am going to apply my traditional, or I'm going to apply the Shebe powder the traditional way that I have been doing. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And like I said, or as I've said before, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And of course, up here or down here, I'll put my Instagram handle. I will see y'all later. Bye. We always have it coming.